Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'm going to show you how to record the entire screen in OBS. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open OBS Studio on your computer. In the Sources panel at the bottom, click the plus icon to add a new source. Choose Display Capture from the list. Give your source a name like Full Screen Capture so it's easy to identify later. Then click OK to add it. Step 2. In the new window, you'll see a display option. Select the display you want to record. If you have multiple monitors, use the drop-down menu to pick the correct one. Make sure OBS has the right permissions if your screen shows black, then click OK to confirm. Step 3. Go to the OBS control panel and click the Start Recording button to begin capturing your entire screen. When you're done recording, click Stop Recording. Your video file will automatically be saved in the folder you selected in OBS Settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.